Hey guys, I just got the new Shark Roto True Pet Professional Deluxe vacuum because my other one had a 2-year warranty and only lasted 2 years and 2 months. So this is the first time I've ever used it. Let's see how it works. This is what it came with in the box. It came with really easy instructions that are very easy to follow. Okay, only about 5 steps to put it together. Came with all these tools to use with it. And here you can see exactly how much I paid for it. I paid $270 for everything. It has VIP lifetime warranty, which I really liked. It covers you shipping it to them fixing it, and them sending it back to you, as well as the vacuum itself, the different attachments, and this additional mop, this steam energized mop. So let's look at it. This is my dirty rug that is in the kitchen because I've been waiting for my replacement vacuum to come in. Let's see how the Shark works. The Shark has a really easy button on the bottom with a footprint. You can put your foot there and turn it back. It has really cool swivel attributes on it too, so that you can get around without really having to do any maneuvering with your vacuum. Okay, to turn it on, it's a simple button right here, and you have the different settings, whether you want to have carpeting or hardwood floor. Okay. Well, that was the very first time I ever used this, and I'm left-handed, but I'm holding the camera with my left hand, so it was a little bit harder for me to vacuum, but it was, wow. There is nothing left on there. The suction was amazing. Overall, I really love my new vacuum. So thank you, Shark. I went through the Shark directly on their website to get this type of a deal, and look at how much it picked up just in that one area, one-time use, never been used before. Okay, it has a lift away feature on it too, so that you can actually take this right off, okay, with the hose, and you can get, you know, onto your steps or anything like that. So that's a really cool feature that I like, instead of carrying around, you know, a big heavy vacuum. And the vacuum itself is actually quite light. I believe it's somewhere around 15 to 17 pounds just for the whole thing, but really, in all actuality, it's not that heavy. I still have to figure out yet how to change the filter thing here. Haven't looked at that yet because I literally just got it, but I cannot believe how much it just picked up in that one-time use. So if you are looking for a new vacuum, I highly recommend the Shark. Thanks. Hey guys, I just got the new Shark Roto True Pet Professional Deluxe vacuum because my other one had a 2-year warranty and only lasted 2 years and 2 months. So this is the first time I've ever used it. Let's see how it works. This is what it came with in the box.